an updated vlog. I know I said I'll be coming back and doing a lot of videos, but that just never happened. And if you didn't notice, I got a lot of my hair cut off. It wasn't supposed to be this short. It was supposed to be like kind of around my boob area, but things happen, and you know, I'm just gonna live with it and kind of see how I like it. It's very hard to style, so if you have any tips and tricks, let me know in the comments down below. But other than that, I'm just going to keep trying hairstyles until I find something I really like. But yeah, so let's get into this vlog. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly's Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. So today's vlog, I'm gonna share a little bit of my home office. I recently got it done, so if you haven't seen that video, I'll link it in the cards up above and in the description down below. But I am doing a Desk Makeover 2.0, which I'm very, very excited. So I can't wait to share with you on that video. So I'll be actually filming a little bit of it today. But I'll only share what I need to share today. And then we're gonna head over to the office. I got some updates from Poi Hun, which is my stationery shop. If you haven't followed yet, we have some, share a little mini desk tour, and then I'll share what we've been working on and a little bit more of this employee that we recently hired. I believe I did mention it in my last vlog. And yeah, so it's kind of like a catch-up video to kind of see where I've been the past few weeks. I did do what's in my bag video before that, and then there was a vlog before that one. So that's why I've been away. It's been super crazy because I've been trying to figure out and set up the warehouse so that the new employee can basically be easier to do things and know what they're doing, so that I don't have to work in there as much, because we do work there pretty late during the week. So yeah, so I did most of my makeup, but I didn't do my bronzer because today we are going to share a little bit of Merit's new Bronze Balm Sheer Bronzer. So they just came out with their new bronzer. They sent me a few items here to check out, and then we also have the Brow 1980, which I'll probably try it in another video. But they sent these to me, and I'm so excited actually because they claim it's the easiest bronzer ever, so I'm very intrigued. I got it in the shade Clay. It's not a circle packaging, it's actually like an oval style packaging, which is interesting. So I'm gonna get a little bit closer so you can see a little bit more. So this is what it looks like. I don't know if I can see it nicely. And then the packaging is super pretty. It's like this nice gold color. And then when you open it up, it already has a product ready for you. And basically it says to use your hands, so I guess I am going to do that. So I don't have any bronzer or anything on. I'm just going to put a little bit over here. So the places I normally put are over here, so I guess it's buildable because I feel like, first, I'm blind, so I'm trying to do this without looking. Oh, that was easy. I literally just swiped it on and it's just there. And then I usually put it over here to scalp. So it's like creamy, but it's not like really, really creamy. I have had creamier versions, but it's like kind of like has a nice texture. I don't really know how to explain. So this is with the side and this is without. Not sure if you can see a difference, but I think it's buildable, so you can just add more if you need, and then just blend it out. And it's very easy to blend. You can also use their brush. I believe they have like a brush that's for this. Looks like that. And then I'm gonna go on the other side and do the same thing. So I'm just gonna blend it out. Literally took like 3 swipes to blend. And I'm trying this with you guys, so this is actually something I've never done before, but it's kind of different. So that is basically done. How do I look? So I went to wash my hands and I put back my glasses on, and wow, that was really, really easy to use. I love the applicator and the packaging is super pretty, and just having it just glide on really, really smoothly. I don't think I've seen something like that. Usually it's super creamy, so it glides on and gets really messy easily, but this one was really, really good. So yeah, I loved it, and I'll definitely be trying this a lot more because I do go in cycles of different products products, so I'm excited to keep trying this and even try the brow product. So I'll make sure to link this down below for you to check out. It's really, really good. I love it. And if you shop at meritbeauty.com, you get free shipping and you'll receive a free bag with purchase over $40. So I will link everything down below so you can check it out. And I hope you enjoyed that little makeup look. I believe this is a very pretty new product, so I'm excited to keep trying it. I do makeup a little bit more now because I'm starting to see people again. I am at work a lot, so I try to kind of look a little bit better. I always try to do a little bit less makeup, so just kind of like better than skin kind of look, just to kind of look presentable. I normally don't do eyeliner, but today I'm filming, so I'm doing eyeliner. But normally if I don't film, I just skip the eyeliner because my eyes can get super sensitive and I'd rather it to just rest. So yeah, so now we're gonna head over to the home office and I'm gonna show you the mini desk tour, kind of like an updated version. I don't think too much has changed, but other than that, we're gonna head over to the office and we are going to talk Poi Hun. And yeah, so let's go. So it kind of got dark, but here we are. I don't think there's much changes. There's obviously some new product that I got since then to put on my desk. Oh, I did build my own little keyboard here. Have it on Instagram Reels and on TikTok, so I'll link that down below for you to check out. It started off with just the shell of the keyboard, and then I add some switches, and then I also added these beautiful keycaps. So there's those, and then I believe I got my Orbit key organizer to put stuff in. I got a new headphones. I don't have headphones, so I really like these gaming ones, so I picked those up since I do game anyways. And the lighting is going on and off. I'm so sorry about that, but that's pretty much it. I don't think there's that many changes. But yeah, so have a lot of plants on the side, but we're gonna do a Desk Makeover 2.0, so I'm excited for that. And yeah, so that's what we have here. So now we're gonna head to work. I'm bringing my Kuyana, and if you haven't seen my video yet, I did a what's in my bag video. This is my work bag. It's my savior. It has everything that I possibly need, so go check it out if you haven't already. But let's go to work. Hello, so I'm in the office. I skipped shooting B-roll to come here because I had a really long morning trying to redecorate and start the Desk Makeover 2.0 vlog, so I had not a lot of footage. I had a lot of footage and I just wanted to get straight here and share stuff in here and then end this vlog. But so we're in the office. We have changed up some stuff. I finally built my bookshelves because we were waiting for IKEA to stock them, and I always wanted to stock them all at once because it does take around 40 minutes to kind of drive there and even an hour from home. So gotta make sure everything is there at the same time so we can just grab everything and we're good to go. And then we finally build everything. Everything is pretty much ready to go. So we're going to do a mini tour of the space. We're going to share a little bit of the warehouse, and that should be the end of today's vlog. Just a little catch up with you guys, and yeah, so let's get into the mini tour. So here's how it's looking. We have a hook over there for my bag, but right now it's just on the floor. Cable management is still very confusing here, so I'm trying to figure out what I really want here. And then in this bottom, I actually have a little I forgot what they're called, footrests for my feet, so that if my back hurts or anything, I can lay my foot there. And then over here is where we do all the marketing photos and TikTok stuff. So I believe that was always here before the hubby was sitting here before he moved to his own room. And yeah, so we have this bookshelf. This is all Billy bookshelves. And then you just add the doors. Obviously, it's pretty new and plain. I don't have time to decorate it yet. And then on this side, we have the smaller bookshelf, which just keeps some of my essentials. So, like my camera, silhouette, and paper. So I'll definitely do a more in-depth tour in the future, a more dedicated video. Then, because I'm still decorating. And then here I have this new addition here. So we have this Lamicall kind of stand, which I will link down for you. What I love about it is that it kind of swivels, so if I need to show someone something, I can just turn it around. The only thing is that I have cords here, so that might be a little hard, but if it was just the laptop itself, you can actually like turn it around and I can show the hubby stuff, because sometimes he sits over there for lunch. But yeah, so that's super cute. I'll link it down below for you guys to check out. This one's super cool. And then I have our pen organizer, and then this has been one of my favorites, so I'll definitely do kind of like a tech must-haves in the future. This is just the work phone right here, and then there's my monitor, and that's a little tour of in here. Okay, so now I'm in the warehouse. We did do a lot of changes since you last saw. I even have a little station here. I just hooked up my old MacBook, so production stuff will be easy. And lately we've been doing something different. We have actually been starting to implement barcodes in our products. So if you check, we now have barcode, so that when the shipping, whether it's Mr. Poi or even the new employee doing shipping, they just scan it to verify that that item is there, because normally we just manually check them off and stuff like that. So I will manually pick them, and there's times where I obviously pick the wrong item, or I picked the wrong color or something, so Mr. Poi will check them before he packs them, so this way it'll help everyone basically. And if there's new employees, or if there's someone trying to do the shipping role, it'll be a little bit easier, because there is a lot of products in our shop and it can be really hard to kind of figure out what products what. So having the system will definitely help in the future. So we've been organizing a lot. There's like still stuff all over the floor that we need to deal with, because that's just stuff that's been collected over the years, and we just never really wanted to throw them away or kind of figure out what we want to do with it. So there's that. And then this is the station here. So we definitely did a lot of cleaning for sure for the new employee, so now we have a space for her to work in. And then in the back we have our loading dock, which we finally cleaned up. It was like a huge mess here. Managed to put things away the way it should be, and then we have this table here that we're gonna actually use for photos and stuff, so I can always open the garage in the back for lighting, and then do some more detailed shots or some more different types of shots, because I think the desk is great and all, but I just keep thinking that we have the same things all the time, and I'd rather try something new and try something different. But yeah, so that's what we have plans here. We also have plans to do more TikTok lives. We're trying to build a set for that, so that's super exciting. But yeah, that's basically a little update of the space. At first I was just gonna sit down and then share it with you guys, but I guess this way works too. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna end this vlog now, because I did do a lot of stuff today, and just wanted to keep it short. And I also want to mention the Sony ZV-1 that I'm using for vlogging. I use it all the time for basically all my videos now. The battery is pretty short and dies really quickly, so for me to do a vlog almost the whole day will be kind of impossible, so usually I do chunks and chunks of it. I just wanted to mention that just in case you're looking for that. So I do recommend purchasing more batteries. I just haven't had time or figured out which one I want to get, because there are aftermarket ones and the Sony ones. I do want to keep it with the Sony stuff so that it's all like cohesive. Like, I'm sure the aftermarket works too, but I don't know, that's why I'm kind of stuck. But yeah, so thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. I can't wait to share with you a desk setup 2.0. And yeah, so have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!